What's good everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video. I have here a case video for the iPhone XR from iBlasom sub cases. Yeah, the Unicorn Beetle series. They were kind enough to send me out some cases, so to let you know, this case video is brought to you by iBlasom. They asked me to take a look at these, and I got two cases for you. I got their iBlasom Diamond Matrix soft TPU protective case, and I had a Unicorn Beetle Electro series case. Now these are real nice looking cases. This one is $18.99 and the Diamond Matrix one is $9.99. I will leave all the links and everything to those down below, but let's get to the cases and let me show you what they look like. I'm gonna start off with the Diamond Matrix one. This is in a black, real nice looking case. It does have a shiny painted metallic look to the side of it. Nice Diamond Matrix pattern on the inside. Let's check it out and see how it fits. Nice. Now it does have some lip protection on there. All the ports and everything are ample and cut and wide open. Nice wide opening to get to the do not disturb switch. No problem with that. Let's check out the volume rocker. Everything is nice and broken in. Let's see if this works with a wireless charger. Yep, no problem. Works with wireless charging. Again, this case is $9.99. And this comes in a black. I don't know if it comes in other colors. I think this it does come in a variety of colors, but this is a real nice looking case for the iPhone XR. Let's get to the Electro Unicorn. Both of these are pretty much the same case. One is blue, the other is black. I'll show you both of them real quick. Here's the black one. Gives you an installation guide. Has its own screen protector, and the other one is in a nice looking blue, metallic blue trim on the side with a light blue trim right there. Trying to figure out which one I want to go with. Let's go with the blue one because I already did a black one, so don't need to do. Now again, this is a two-piece case. Fill out the inside plastic. And there is a little bit of plastic on the outside. There's a nice little tab up top that they provide you, so no trolling involved. Now this case, the frame of this case is a lot soft in comparison to other two-piece cases, so it's a little easier to handle, and I think it's going to help when it comes to removing it. Also, there's little instructions right here telling you separating the case from the other part of the back part. You go down here in this right corner, put your nail in there, you should be able to pull everything apart. But this is a nice looking case. Does have that light blue trim. Let's check out the buttons. Nice and broken in. Case is somewhat slippery. One thing you want to do is make sure you got a nice little seal around. I didn't seal it that well, so let me go ahead and seal the case down. Now let's check out, see if it's wirelessly charge. Yep, you can work with a wireless charger, no problem. This is a nice looking case. Back of it, nice stylish heavy duty case. It is $18.99. So here's the black one. I'm not going to try it on, just wanted to see what it looks like. But that pretty much does it for the Unicorn subcase series of cases here. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. All the links and everything to these cases will be down below. If you have any questions, also leave those down there. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.